Once I was asked by the parents, sir, I have one son and one daughter, and I want that they should start to learn certain skills. So from where they should start learning skills? They asked me the question. I replied that if you really want to start professional career as a student, then two skills are the mother skills, and they are very important in the 21st century. I told them one is a communication skill and another that is a public speaking. When the question comes up of learning communication skill, I mean that one has to learn communication skill in English language. My dear friends, today is the world where you have to speak the language which the people understand. So I told that even in the 21st century, lot many other skills which is very important, but at the same time the basic or the mother skill, that is communication skill, and another skill that is public speaking. My dear friends, as a teenage or as a youth, during our school and college time and even some practical exposure, we must have gained lot of knowledge from the surroundings, and it's very important for all of us to express the same knowledge to the concerned people. If we have the knowledge, my dear friends, but we are not able to express or to tell to the right people, it is of no use. And that's the reasons one has to learn the art of speaking to the people, public speaking. So these two skills really encash and enrich your professional career or your career as an entrepreneur. My dear friends, that's the reasons we have decided to guide you people to train about these two things. One, public speaking, and another to communicate in English language. From this 1st November to 30th November, 30 days, there will be online WhatsApp class where you can learn, my dear friends, with other students too, in a group momentum, without any time constraint. During the 24 hours, you can be guided and you can learn storytelling, how to listen, how to speak impactfully, and at the same time how to give the feedback and question into the team. My dear friends, very important to learn all these skills to upgrade our career. I welcome all of you in this public speaking through English communication online class, which is starting from 1st November. The fees, that is simple, 299. My dear friends, actual cost of this course is maybe 5,000, 5,500. But during this Deepavali festival, I have decided to give this course at cost of 299, very nominal amount. I would love to welcome all of you in this course and get a huge benefit for the practical exposure of learning English language and public speaking. I welcome all of you. This is Lalit Chande signing out from Rajkot Win++, the learning hub of soft skills. Thank you very much. Again I welcome. Thank you.